Want to improve your coding skills using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to use the Coding Partner feature. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Gem Manager. Now, find and select Coding Partner. Here, you'll see a description of this feature. Coding Partner helps you level up your coding skills by assisting you with projects and helping you learn as you go. You'll also see several example prompts you can choose from. For example, check my coding homework, or write a simple loop example in Python. You can tap one of these examples or type your own coding-related request. Then tap Send. Gemini will help you with explanations, suggestions, or even code examples depending on your request. This makes it easier to learn programming, fix issues, or build small projects step by step. And that's how to use Coding Partner in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.